How to make money on people per hour as a social media advertiser. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create a profile where you're going to showcase your own skills to the visitors of the platform. So between those visitors, there are business owners or individuals that are looking, for example, for a social media advertiser or a financial advisor or anything or anyone with any skill that they're in need of. So for example, let's search for some social media advertisers. Here, let's click on search freelancers, and here enter the skill social media advertiser, and we're going to see some of your competitors. As you can see in here, we have an organic YouTube promotion through proven and safe methods, manage 2 social media accounts, manage 1 social media account, and they also get some hourly rate, and everyone differs from the other. These two get $20 per hour. This one gets $265, 160, 195, $555 per hour, 555, $1,000 per hour. Be your no-nonsense marketing director for your company, $45 per hour. So let's go back to the first page to show you how you can create your own profile just like those freelancers that we saw in order to make money just like them. So here, go to the freelancer button in your top right, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well, and then click on login. And here, as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's click on apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop a profile picture, your own profile picture, then your job title, for example, award-winning web developer. So let's go with social media advertiser. Then you enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start with social media. So here we have social media marketing, management, strategy. Let's start with social media marketing, social media management, social media writing, social media design, social media strategy, and let's go with social. I made a mistake in there. Social media optimization, development, training. Let's go with training in here, and I think that's enough. You can just go with the skills that you can do or perform, and after that you proceed to your description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So in order to enter a decent description for your profile, what I like to do personally is going through the other freelancers' descriptions and taking inspiration from their descriptions, seeing how are they talking about themselves, their skills, and their previous works or expertise. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Go to the search box in here, click on search freelancers, open that in a new tab, and here Let's proceed to the new window. Here we're going to enter our skill social media advertiser and click on the search button to search for freelancers like us. So we're going to go to all offers and we're going to see all of the social media advertisers, but it seems like there is a problem. Sorry, no offers found. Let's remove advertiser and let's search. So here we have a lot of profiles, so let's choose this one. She gets paid $195. I think this is an agency. So here we're going to check their description. PeoplePerHour's top seller for the last 8 years, over 10,000 hourlies sold. And as you can see, this is a very long description. This is a very bad description to give your profile. It's very long, it will make the clients bored. So make sure to use a brief and short description, but it works for them really well. As you can see, they have approximately 4,000 sales and 189,000 views, as you can see, but that's no good description for a beginner like you. So here let's choose, or let's check someone else's description. Let's check this one's description, for example. Her name is Rebecca. So here let's check her description, read more. So this is a good description. As you can see, 3 paragraphs and it's very short. That's good. Experienced award-winning journalist and copywriter. I run my own digital PR and content agency which specializes in PR creation and distribution, article and blog writing, web content, social media marketing, and SEO. We excel in delivering relevant press exposure and high quality value add content. Recent work for PeoplePerHour clients can be seen in Sky News. So this is a very decent inspiration for our profile, guys. Make sure to get your inspiration from this description and make a description similar to this one, but do not copy their description. Make sure to make your own unique description. After that, you proceed to add in your location and the languages that you can speak. So for me, let's go with English. Then you choose your hourly rate and the currency that you want to go with, dollars, pounds, or euros. Then you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.